To be honest guys, do you think that $1 million is cool, or should I say it would be enough for you? And well, this is a good number for sure, but I wouldn't say that it will solve all your problems, right? Anyway, show me that person that doesn't have to have $1 million of his or her pocket right now. And I'm not talking about Donald Trump or Elon Musk, because as you know guys, there are billionaires, and I think they would never want to be just a millionaires, unlike 99% of people on this planet who just, have some little money. And if you're watching this video, probably you're not in this 1% of these rich people, unfortunately. But we're about to change something, so please keep watching this video until the end. What's going on guys, my name is Ari and welcome back on this YouTube channel. And if you are new here, usually we talk about how to make money, some investing tools and how to be rich. It's enough to have some little money, so this is why you're just watching this YouTube channel. And today I'd like to talk with you about the millionaires habit that will bring you on the top, or should I say it. So if you are thinking about how to change your lifestyle and get another experience as well as money and success, watch this video and let's start. There are 56.1 million millionaires on the earth at this moment, and probably you will not be one of them very soon. Let's face it, because being a millionaire, it's pretty hard. It takes much time, research, and most people are older than we are right now, so probably it would be better to start as early as possible if you wasn't born in a very rich family as me. I mean, I wasn't born, so this is why I'm just doing all this stuff. I've been watching YouTube since I was a kid, and I just realized that many rich people have very similar habits, such as savings, investing, time management, and self-control. So the first very important habit is that millionaires love what they do, and let me explain you what does it mean. Most millionaires reported that they really enjoy what they do for a living. Sometimes it's even about their dreams or passion for their work, and for example, I have some friends who really hate their job. So they've been working, for example, somewhere more than a few years, don't have any money and debts only, and if you want to give them an advice how to improve their life, they will answer you, "Nah man, I have my job, yeah, but they pay me money, okay?" Well, it's totally understandable because you still have to pay for your bills, life expenses, stuff like that. And to be honest, I used to film a lot of weddings when I lived in Russia, and can you guys believe me that I was hated it so much, and the only reason why I kept working on weddings is money, of course. I tried to save my money as much as possible, just to buy some equipment for filming as well as be able to travel somewhere. And it seemed to me like an opportunity to get a better life, or like a goal. And if you have a job that you really hate, but you have to go, just to pay for your bills, well, maybe it's not matter where to work, and probably it would be better to start do what you really love. And if you still don't know how to start, that's alright, because this is what happened to me. And I made a video how to be a freelancer as a beginner, so watch this video before you quit your job, because I was a little bit stupid. And don't forget that the millionaires love what they do. The first step is a passion and the second one is money. Let's go to the next one. The majority of the millionaires expressed a goal to never stop learning, growing and improving their lifestyle. And I know that for many people it sounds like something boring or even stupid, because when you went to school it was really boring and you had to learn a lot of things because your teacher said do it like this, or maybe just your parents. But unfortunately, or maybe not, the real world is changing very fast because it's changing every day, right? And the tools that will work yesterday could be not good enough tomorrow. So if you guys want to be better as a professional in your career, you need to learn as much as possible. And going back to the millionaires, most people read at least 1 or 2 books every month. And if you're, for example, 16 years old and only what you do is swiping TikTok videos every day, it would be very hard to read 60 or 50 pages per day. So audiobooks were made exactly for you, my man. And if you're not very good at school, it doesn't mean you're not going to be successful, because this is just a part of the world system. You have to think a little bit differently, and this is mindset comes from a long-held value of education. So make sure you have enough resources to keep learning every day. When I started writing the script for this video that you are watching right now, it was my second thing in my to-do list. And I don't know how early I started writing my daily goals, but I just realized that this is what a lot of rich people do. Well, I am not a millionaire yet, but I'm going to be someday, because this is what I do and this is what I really like.
All I do is make money, do it all again, make money.
So as you guys understand, millionaires have a daily must-to-do list. It usually starts from a goal for the next year or for the next few years, because if you want to get something big in this life, you need to know where and how exactly you're going to get it. Because let's say, or imagine like a typical day with any goals in your life and things to do. You can wake up early late, make breakfast, wipe your Instagram, and just go to chill, a little bit walking, and watch a movie before you go to sleep. And this is what happens for so many people, and I know a lot of them. But if you know what to do when you just wake up, you'll never be lazy and waste your time unless just the procrastination that's just knocking to your door. Let me tell you a story. I lived in Los Angeles making music videos for my clients, and everything was very cool with my career. But then California started to changing, and my ex-girlfriend just broke with me, and I decided to move out of California because I was tired because of taxes and prices and homelessness problem and stuff like that. So I moved to Florida when I wanted to continue making music videos, and I was so amazing, so I signed my first leasing contract for 14 months here in Miami, because I thought I could do everything what I want, but I didn't know that Florida has so many seasons. I mean, just 2 seasons, and from September to the end of November I was broke. I didn't have clients, so I didn't have enough money, and my fridge was almost empty. Fried rice and carrots was on my plate every day, so these times were too much crazy for me. But the only one thing that helped me to keep going, it was my savings. If I didn't save money every time when I get down, I wouldn't be able to pay for my bills. And for example, my friend is always asking me to send him some money because he spent most of them, even sometimes he makes much more than me. And I would say this is my favorite habit that helps me every day. And if you never save your money, probably you're very young or live with your parents, or you're just stupid as hell, man, and never think about the future. But my story could show you that bad times happen sometimes, and all we need is to be ready. So if you ask the rich people how to be rich, they would answer to you that being rich, it's not about how much money you make, this is about how much money you save. And I already made a video where I explained about savings and investing, why it's so important for beginners, so I highly recommend it for you if you're just starting your journey, son. Alright guys, we're almost done, but the rich people are never stop working, even they have enough money on their bank accounts. But to be honest, they don't, because all this money are working for them. Cash is trash.
Go find a vehicle that will make you super rich, so you could actually make a super difference.
If you are thinking about how to be a millionaire, this is more about your lifestyle. Don't spend your money for stupid brand things as Gucci or Armani. Only poor people want to appear rich, and the rich people want to be simpler and more modest. And I have a friend who is paying around $800 for his car, but he even doesn't own it yet, because this is his friend's car, and he just pays for the rent. And for me it sounds very crazy, because I would save this money and invest them, for example, to get some dividends. Yes, if you live in the US, you would probably need to have your personal car instead using a public transportation, which is not very good in this country. But for example, I bought a used car for like $4,000, and I never pay any money anyone. I bought this car for cash, and this is my car right now. But my friends, they pay at least as $500 every month, and this money are going to the bank, and it will be keep going for the next few years. So this is what I not would recommend to you guys.
And yo guys, check this out. I'm chilling outside of my home because today was a long day and I just made the decision to go somewhere outside, but unfortunately, if you see, the pool is closed.
And I just realized very funny thing, because every time when I just make any videos for YouTube, for you guys, for my audience, every time I just learn something new. And at this time I just realized that I haven't been reading anything for a while. The last book that I finished was like a few months ago, and it really helped me in that time, because I had like very bad 3 months when I was hungry, when I didn't have much money, like I told you earlier. So this is why I just brought my iPad mini, very old iPad that I bought in Russia like 7 or 8 years ago. And this is my library. I really love to read everything about business, about making money, about hustle and motivate, and today I'm reading this book by Napoleon Hill, How to Sell Your Way Through Life. The reason why I'm shooting this part for you guys right now is because sometimes bloggers, when they make any videos for YouTube, they don't follow what they say, and I don't want to be one of them. I really want to improve my English, improve my lifestyle, and make some money, and just share my thoughts with you. This is why I'm shooting this video for you. But sometimes we need just to chill, chill. If you have a very long day, very hard day, and for me it's Friday today and I'm going to somewhere on this weekend because I just sit at home all this week. So yeah guys, I hope you really enjoy. And this is all what I wanted to talk with you today. I hope my video is really helpful to you because, you know, sometimes I meet some people who just don't understand how the real world works, and unfortunately they don't have any money and they never think about the future, and I think this is very, very bad. And this is why I have this YouTube channel, and the first reason, of course, because I wanted to improve my English. So guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video, and if so, please put it down thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Всем пока!